Today we're going to be looking at WordPress, which is quickly becoming an essential tool in the tech-com field, used by everyone from individual bloggers to huge corporations. But before we begin walking through the WordPress dashboard, we need to set up some background information. WordPress is a website builder. There are many kinds of website builders available, including WordPress, Weebly, Tumblr, and Wix, and they are commonly used to construct blogs and websites without the need for extensive knowledge of coding. What makes WordPress so valuable is the amount of customization you can include in your site, which you sometimes can't find from other sources. It's also been around the longest and has developed a strong reputation. There are actually two different kinds of WordPress, depending on your skill level and needs. WordPress.com is a much more simplistic tool, with a few different price levels. The free site requires you to register your domain with .wordpress.com after it, which somewhat lessens your site's sophistication. The other options require a yearly fee and allow varying degrees of customization and perks. The version we'll be looking at, though, is WordPress.org, which allows you to register a more professional domain name, has greater flexibility, and a huge amount of customization, provided you know what to look for. These advantages are worth the extra cost, depending on the style of blog or website you're looking to build. When you're ready to choose your site's domain name, you'll have to choose between self-hosting and shared hosting, but stay away from self-hosting unless you're experienced in web design. The site I'll be showing you is hosted by Bluehost, which is a partner with WordPress and offers special rates to WordPress.org members. You can get fairly basic service from Bluehost for as little as $4 a month, but there are many other companies that provide hosting as well. Once you've chosen your domain name and registered with your web host, you're ready to start customizing the appearance and content of your blog. The administrator's control panel is called the dashboard, and it's where you'll find all of your tools for editing and creating. This is where you can choose a theme, add plugins, publish posts, and review your blog statistics. So here's the dashboard for my WordPress.org blog. You can see all of the tools along the left, including posts, media, appearance, plugins, users, tools, and settings. The main page displays next steps you can take, WordPress news, activity, and site stats. The top toolbar allows you to view your site as it currently looks, review and approve pending comments, and access the New tab, where you can quickly make a new post, page, and so on. We're going to focus on the Appearance tab over here on the left. You can see options for themes, customization, CSS, widgets, etc. Click on Themes. You'll notice it brings up all of the different themes I've downloaded already. You can browse through all of the available themes by clicking on the WordPress.org themes bar here at the top. From there you can narrow down the results by featured, popular, latest, and premium, or you can use the search bar on the right to find a specific theme. Once you've chosen your theme, you can click on Customize over here on the left to make changes to the theme's layout, appearance, and content. Depending on the theme, you'll see different options here. But on the theme I'm currently using, you can upload a logo, include a background image, add widgets, change the background color, add a footer, and so on. While you make adjustments, the preview to the right updates the modifications as you go. When you're finished customizing, click on the Save and Publish button that will appear here at the top. Now you can exit the customizer and return to the dashboard. As you can see, navigating the controls and making changes to your blog is fairly straightforward with WordPress, which allows you to spend much more time creating polished content for your site.